What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another Wealth Hack Wednesday, an NYC edition. And as I just wrapped up a video shoot, which you can check out the behind the scenes look at that in my trip here to New York, but I started thinking about like all the times I've been to New York, and every time I've been to New York, it's because somebody has paid me or was recruiting me. The whole recruiting thing, that'll be a whole other video here soon. But the other times I've been paid to come here for some sort of brand deal or some sort of sponsorship. And I started thinking about like what led to that? Like how did I actually get these opportunities? And really the big thing that opened up the door for me in these opportunities was just putting myself out there. And I've shared this in another video, can't remember which one, probably another Wealth Hack Wednesday, but I talk about how your 80% is somebody else's 100%. So meaning that when you want to publish a blog post, when you want to publish a video, when you want to write a book, when you want to post something to Instagram or Facebook or whatever, oftentimes you don't do it because you feel like it's not good enough, because you look at other people that have created some amazing content, some amazing things, that you just don't think that yours is good enough. So you don't put it out there because you have fear that somebody else is going to look at you and they're going to judge you and they're going to tear you down and you're going to be embarrassed. So you'll wait until it's perfect because you want it to be 100% perfect. Well, this might be a shock to you. There is no such thing as being 100% perfect. So when I say your 80% is everybody else's 100%, that means that once you get it where it's 80% to your satisfaction, put it out there. Launch it, publish it, post it, put it out there, because all these deals that I've got is all because I started publishing my blog, and mostly because of YouTube. Now, if you've been on my channel for a while, yeah, I've gotten a little bit better with the video quality and the editing and being more concise, you know, with my content. But all you gotta do is go back to my videos 3 years ago, 4 years ago, heaven forbid, 6 years ago, and you see like how crappy those videos were. But guess what? I put it out there because, well, the funny thing was like I thought it was good. But I knew that there was a lot of stuff that was better, but I was just, you know what, I'm gonna put it out there and see what happens. And that's what I did. And one of the first times I actually came to New York is because CNBC found a video that I published to my YouTube channel that was shot with a non-HD webcam. It was in my a shared office space with like white walls, horrible lighting, horrible audio. And because of that video, I was contacted by CNBC here in I guess New Jersey technically, and I ended up coming out to New York. I think that was like the first time I came out here, all because of that stupid video that wasn't even like 80%, I think it was like 60%. I mean, I would never even publish anything like that now, but yet I did, and an opportunity presented itself because I put myself out there. Your 80% is everybody else's 100%. Don't wait until it's perfect, because you don't know what you might be missing out if you don't get your content, to get your stuff out there. All right, y'all, hope you enjoyed this Wealth Hack Wednesday from New York City. Till next time, peace.